Here I have Nokia 230 and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove back cover from your device. To do this you have to pull this switcher here and then back cover will kinda release itself. Then you have to remove battery, so you just hatch it here, so easily. Then you have to open the SIM card slot, like this, and put your SIM card. Oh God, okay. So then you close it, and then you can also put micro SD card just like this, and then put it back into your device. Then put battery back into your device, and now we can put back cover too, and hold down end call button to turn device on. Okay, so back, and as you can see now it detects my SIM card 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.